Experience the next evolution in air frying. The Philips air fryer with steam and easy slide rail 7.2 litre 5000 series enhances everything people already love about air frying by adding steam technology to deliver perfectly crisp exteriors and irresistibly tender results every time. Unlock new and exciting dishes with 3 cooking functions: steam, air fry and steam fry. Steam for a tender, delicate texture, air fry for crispy results, or use steam fry to combine both, giving you perfectly crisp food on the outside and a delicate, juicy, tender inside. The one-touch steam clean function uses steam to loosen tough residue inside the appliance for effortless cleanup. With no added oils or fats required, it's an easy way to cook lighter meals without compromising on texture or flavour. Steam fry takes air frying to the next level by combining hot air with bursts of steam during cooking. This means you're not only crisping the outside, you're locking in moisture at the same time, delivering food that's perfectly crisp on the outside and tender with a delicate texture inside. The Philips air fryer with steam and easy slide rail 7.2 litre 5000 series delivers everything people love about air frying, with crispy, tender results, no preheating and cooking that's up to 40% faster than a traditional oven. With up to 21 cooking functions including baking, grilling, reheating and more, it gives you the flexibility to cook a wide range of everyday meals and snacks. Steam doesn't just enhance cooking, it also makes cleaning easier. The one-touch steam clean function uses steam to loosen grease and residue inside the appliance, so in most cases it can simply be wiped away. Combined with dishwasher-safe components and easy wipe surfaces, this makes ongoing cleaning and maintenance simple and low effort. Philips air fryer with steam and easy slide rail 7.2 litre 5000 series takes your air frying to the next level by bringing together steam, air fry and steam fry in one appliance, giving you more flexibility and better results across a wider range of dishes. Whether you're steaming, air frying or combining both with steam fry, it delivers food that's crisp on the outside and tender on the inside with greater confidence and consistency.
Visit your local Harvey Norman store.